Hello everyone. So we meet again with another recipe. Today I have made very famous Indian dessert, that is Shrikhand, which is very much famous in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Shrikhand is always in a thicker form and matho is always in a creamy texture. So the initial step of this recipe is to boil milk. I have taken 3 liters of milk, that is full fat milk. Bring it to a nice boil and stir it continuously. After boiling the milk, we need to cool it down. Stir it until it's lukewarm. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of curd into the milk and stir it nicely. Cover the milk and leave it for 6 to 7 hours. Our curd is ready. Now we'll keep this curd into the fridge so that it doesn't get sour and it gets thickened. Alright, it's been 3 hours. The curd has been chilling in the fridge. The curd is perfectly thickened. Now we need to strain all the water out of curd. So we need to hang this in a cheesecloth or a cotton cloth. So you need to hang this curd for minimum 3 to 4 hours so it drains out all its water. Water has been drained properly. Now to soak all the excess water, I have taken a jute cloth, a newspaper and a cotton cloth. Place it likewise I have placed. Spread it evenly all over the cloth. Now transfer this into a ball and add icing sugar and fold it nicely. Now add elaichi powder and fold it again. Now you can garnish this with your favorite dry fruits. I have added pistachio and almonds. Refrigerate this for at least 3 to 4 hours to serve it chilled. Our Shrikhand recipe is ready. I hope you liked this recipe. Do share it with your friends and family. See you until my next video. Until then, ta-da!